Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, guys. Today we have English Day again. Today we have podcast with the title Learning Style. Today we have two special students. They are Kenzo and also Jeremy. So, guys, let them introduce themselves. Jeremy, time is yours.
Okay. Hello everyone, my name is Francisco Jeremy Halwan Sinaga. I am from class 1. My hobby is singing. My ambition is teacher.
Okay, so guys, Jeremy wants to be a teacher. Let's support him. Okay. The second student, Kenzo, time is yours.
Hello everyone, introduce myself. My name is Nathanael Kenzo Tambilian. I am from class 8 too. My hobby is play mobile phone. I live in Compton Pencatel. My ambition is chef.
Oh, guys, Kenzo wants to be a chef. Okay, later we can test his cooking. Okay, so today still with Mr. Wandi. Let's go to the first question. So Jeremy, how many times do you study a week?
I study 3 times a week.
So Jeremy study 3 times a week. The second point, the first question is to Kenzo. How many times do you study a week?
I study 4 times a week.
So Kenzo study 4 times a week. Okay, the second question. How long do you usually study in one time, Jeremy?
I study 30 minutes.
Oh, so Jeremy study 30 minutes, And then how about you, Kenzo? How long do you usually study in one time?
I study for 1 hour.
So Kenzo study for 1 hour. Okay, the third question. When do you usually study and what time, Jeremy?
I study in the evening at 8 p.m.
So Jeremy study in the evening at 8 p.m. Okay, how about you, Kenzo? When do you usually study and what time?
I study in the evening at 9 p.m.
The same as Jeremy, Kenzo also study in the evening at 9 p.m. Okay, the last question. Jeremy, what is your motivation to study?
My motivation is to get good values.
Oh, to get good values, good score, Okay, how about you, Kenzo? What is your motivation to study?
My motivation is to be smart.
So Kenzo wants to be smart. I'm sure everybody wants to be smart. So don't forget to study. Okay, let's say it together. SMP, Lamatang Study. The future begin here. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.